Welcome to our YouTube video on heat treatment. I'm your assistant, here to provide a clear and concise explanation of what heat treatment is in engineering. Shortly, what is the definition? Heat treatment is a controlled process of heating and cooling metals or alloys to change their physical and mechanical properties, such as hardness, strength, and toughness, without altering their shape. Think of heat treatment like baking bread. The right temperature and time transform raw ingredients into something stronger, more useful, and ready for purpose. So, why is heat treatment so beneficial? Because it improves material performance, enhances durability, reduces wear and tear, and ensures components meet the required specifications for industries like automotive, aerospace, and construction. Thank you for watching. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com.